Alright guys, we've got a bit of a thunderstorm coming. I heard thunder, haven't seen any lightning yet, and most probably not likely to. Because of course, for all of you who don't know, lightning will never happen when I'm recording it. Lightning will only happen the exact second I turn the camera off. And that's a fact. As you can see, it is raining. It is windy. I can feel the car shaking because we're on a hill where I am. I'm not in Cambridge yet again. I think I'm in Bolsham. Am I in Bolsham? Not Bottisham, Bolsham, I think I am. I only got 2 minutes to record this. Guys, listen to that. Can you hear the rain on the window? Can you hear it? I don't know if you can hear it on the window and on the roof. Put my camera out the window. Ugh. Can you hear the thunder? I can, but it's very distant. Guys, I think the thunder part of the cloud is over there. I think this is just all rain. Well, it is thundering as well. I cannot get my word for it. Yep. There we go. Did you hear it? Thunder. I heard it. Oh, look at the pretty cat. Oh, run, pussycat, run. Oh, poor pussy. Guys, you should hear the rain now. Can you hear it? Oh, pussycat again. You should be able to hear the rain now. Well, this is going to be an interesting video. Yeah, you should be able to hear the rain now on the roof and on the window. Can you hear that thunder? Can you hear it?